Hi again. This is Claire. This is the second hello video, and I really wanted to say a couple of things. One is that this course really is for adults. There's lots of stuff for kids on YouTube teaching phonics. This has no funny voices or cartoons, games. It's a little bit more serious, so you need to know that. And secondly, I wanted to explain a little bit about what's going to happen next. First, I'm going to go through the letter names, then we'll look at the look of the letters, then we'll do a rather long video which does all the letter sounds. Don't panic, because then we're going to go step by step, just a few letters at a time, practicing reading. Okay? So I'm going to encourage you to read right through the words, sounding out every letter at first. Now, of course, you won't do that forever. Eventually, the words will just become automatic. You will look at a word, you'll go, yes, I know that word. But while we're practicing, while we're learning, I want to suggest reading through, reading every letter, sound. Not every letter name, every letter sound. So that's something important to know. And of course, I'll be reminding you the direction of reading from left to right. But although I'm saying, yes, please read aloud, I do want to also say that the most important thing isn't just making the sounds, it's understanding, because reading's all about understanding. I also want to mention the things you'll need. Obviously, a computer or a phone, some headphones, and I want to also encourage you to do some writing, because even though I've called this a reading course, it really is quite important, if you can, to do some writing, because research has shown that when you write words, it fixes them in your brain much more than when you type them. So interesting. And I will show you, if you are doing your work on the sofa with the family all around you watching TV, quite nice to get a cheap clipboard. Well, I'll do another picture of this later. You can get special lined paper with small lines in called dotted thirds, and of course pencil, rubber, sharpener. If you can get a 2B or a B pencil, and that's just on the very end of the pencil, much better than an HB. It's easier to write with, and maybe a highlighter's good. And of course, there are some worksheets that you can download and print off. So if you've got a printer, or your teacher or tutor has a printer, that's really good too. So what else do I need to tell you? I'm just looking. Last thing, please remember to relax. Remember every so often to move and stretch and look across the room or look out the window. That's to relax your eye muscles, because sometimes when people start reading, they do get headaches, and I don't want you to get headaches. So please just make sure you move. And if you do feel that your eyes are feeling strained, you might want to get your eyes tested, because you want reading to be comfortable and enjoyable. Okay, thanks. Let's get started now.